Alright, this is the second video, lab drawing of how light behaves with a convex mirror. We're actually really looking at the three rules or the three laws of drawing an image for curved mirrors. And what we did is we sent light using a ray box along this path, and then we got the light come out this way. We sent light going along this path, and it reflected along the same pathway, and then light along this third path, and it came out parallel to the principal axis. So let's take those lines, and what we will do is we will extend them. So here's our point of incidence. Okay, so there it is. There's the reflected ray, and when we trace it back behind the mirror, we notice it hits the focal point. This next one, light was supposed to pass through, if I just adjust this now, light was supposed to pass along here as if it was going to pass through the center of curvature. It reflected back along the same path. So what we can do is just add an arrow here and then extend that light ray, that reflected light ray, back, an imaginary line back. And we already see right now at this point the light rays, extended light rays of the reflected light is crossing at this point here. And then the last one, we saw light passing through the focal point, or as if passing through the focal point, came out parallel. And we'll extend that one back as well along the way. Make sure we draw an arrow on it so we've got something along those lines. So we can see that the reflected light rays, when we extend it behind the mirror, all cross at this point. And of course, light's coming from the top of the image, and light is extended light rays are crossing at this point, so the top of the image would have to be here. And so we just draw our object right there. So what do we have? Parallel out through the focal point, through the center of curvature, back along the same path, and then through the focal point, out parallel. When we extend those light rays back, they will cross at this point right here. The image will be smaller, and it will be the right side up, closer to the mirror. Okay?